Wait, Karen, do you want to tell him?
No, not yet.
Yeah, this is perfect. Thank you. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I need to tell you all something. We're not going on a train today. Look at me. We're going to Cabo. We're going to Mexico.
We're going to an airplane. That's even better. You get your kinders. We're going to Mexico. We tricked you.
Sorry guys.
Right?
I played a trick on y'all. Y'all thought we were going on a train?
We're going in a plane.
We're going on a plane.
That's why it took 20 years.
Alright guys, we need to check in. We'll see y'all in a little bit.
Oh, you look upset.
But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Homeboy. You know homeboy.
The heck?
It's called homeboy.
This cafe is called like Homie.
Homeboy.
Hey homeboy, you got some cafe? Up here. What's that sign say up there?
San Jose, Cabo, Mexico. Board's in 50 minutes.
So who are you?
George Washington,
George Washington.
but with pink hair.
Come on. We're heading to Cabo now. We are actually boarding.
Head, secure our cabin for departure, and get on our way to Los Cabos. Welcome. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Watching your movies. It'll be about an hour and 55 minutes down to Los Cabos today. When we arrive, there will be a 1 hour time change.
Two hours later.
Baby Koi, we're here.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Cabos. The local time here is approximately 10 minutes after 12. Please note the 1 hour time change from Los Angeles.
What place?
Huh?
Did you live in this place when you were small?
No. I never lived there in Cabo.
Where did you live for your childhood?
Mexico City.
Is it kind of like this place?
No, this is very dry. Bye guys. We're here in Cabo. We're actually on our way to immigration now. Come on, Cole, come on. This is it. Are these our bags? No. Those are check bags. Anyways, we're here. We are in San Jose, Cabo San Lucas. Headed to immigration now. Got all our papers filled out. Expect it to be a short deal, and then we'll be off to the resort. We'll see you guys in a bit.
This is Cabo.
Cabo. Well,
2 hours later.
alright, we are finally on our way to the resort. Quite an experience getting out of the airport there. Yeah.
Doesn't look like too far from home, huh? You get the water, Caleb.
I should have vlogged it though.
Oh my god.
I just got done picking up some treats at this local, almost like a local Walmart. It was like an upscale Walmart. It was probably one of the coolest shopping places I could have gone to. I wanted to take little bits and pieces of all the breads and all the foods, cafeteria stuff they had. It was really cool. So we're on our way. We got a short little trip. Almost passing the old resort we were at last time, right?
I think so. Yeah, it looks familiar.
Yeah, this looks very familiar. It is. Alright, we're just getting to this resort. We're on the outskirts of it, coming into the booth right now.
Look up.
We are about to check into the hotel, and we're just waiting.
We don't have a room yet.
Yep, we don't have a room yet, but we're going to give you a room tour when we do. So stay tuned.
This is the first time?
It is. Is it a nice room we're going to?
Yes, it's you have the marina side.
Yeah? Okay. Come on, guys.
Get in, guys.
Guess what we're doing?
Oh, wow.
In the center over there. See the show?
Oh, that's a dolphin show where we're going to.
Dolphin show now. Mini golf is down there. Mini golf is down there.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful here. This is really nice. Oh, wow, look at that view right there, the marina. Look at that. So we'll be able to see that from the room?
Yes.
That's a good view.
It's built in your room.
Oh, wow. Look at this. This is cool. Look at all those boats. Holy moly, macanoli. Wow. You guys ready to see the room?
Yeah!
All right, let's go.
Okay.
It's that little door in the wall right there.
Only kill can fit. Wait, is that one?
Open the doors, girl. You have
All right, guys. Hold the door.
Whoa.
Hold the door.
the door.
I guess we're in a suite. Let's grab grab a coffee. That doesn't happen. A table. I called bed. I hate a bed. There's one bed here and a bed of this bed.
So many
Look at the desk. Go out this way too. It's a big one. Wow. Oh, that is sweet.
We just checked out of our room. We're gonna go get some pool action and some food action right now. Gonna check out what kind of food we got here at this restaurant. Then we're gonna go check out the pool for a minute, but check out this view right here for a bit. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome?
Holy, so much. Oh wow, look at that slide though. Thank you.
You want a sparkling water or natural water?
For the lemonade,
Uh-huh.
what do you want, Chloe? Natural or sparkling water? Sparkling.
Okay.
Wow. You know that's got fizz, right, babe?
I like this.
So we're having a late lunch right now, right here over by the marina. Check out that view. That view is pretty awesome, I would say. Got a lot of the tours going out right now. Chloe actually lent me her hat. What do you guys think?
I wanted it.
Pretty cute, huh? Okay, she wants it back.
Nice, Mama can take a picture.
So what are we gonna do today, guys? Hey guys, what are we gonna do today?
We are going to the pool.
So we're gonna eat, we're gonna go to the pool, and then what else? Oh, we'll take some pictures, some glamour shots. We'll probably knock out a little bit early tonight because it's just been a long day.
I noticed that. I'm gonna get the pink one. Wow. What? Perfect. For my plot. I'm waiting to kill our dog. Whoa, it's hot in here.
Oh, it's super hot.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really hot.
What's in the middle?
Ouch.
Did you get the needle?
Ooh, that was hot.
What did you do to the whirlpool?
It just disappeared. Look at those hawks. Oh my god.
Come on. Hello, everybody.
That's actually really cool.
Yay!
What do you guys think so far?
It's really good. And Mama's missing out because of this.
Oh, she's on the other side. She's in a warm.
But this one's even warmer. Here. Mama, look
Mom, over here.
Look at it. It's even better. It's white. You're gonna like it more.
It's nice and warm, babe.
It's extreme. You know it's not very long. I know a hack though.
Some hack. That seems pretty bad.
No, you just breathe like this. Okay, Cal, just see what